The CDC now recommends the general public wear cloth face coverings when outside their home in public areas. Jane Lonsdale live from Auditorium Showers with an at-home tutorial. Good morning, Jane.
Hey, Amanda, good morning to you. Yes, that new recommendation out from the CDC helps to provide an extra barrier for those who may be asymptomatic carrying COVID-19. So today we're going to give you that tutorial using a couple of household items. First, we have a bandana that you'll need. We have a second bandana, but this is representative of a coffee filter. So we'll get to that in just a second. And then a couple of hair ties or rubber bands is all you need to make your own face covering. So you'll take the bandana and fold it completely in half, and then you'll take the coffee filter. You're going to cut the coffee filter in half as well and place that in the middle of the bandana. Then you take the bottom of your bandana and fold it up, and you take the second half of your bandana, the top part, and fold that downwards. Then we will use our hair ties. You're going to place one on each end, spacing them about 6 inches apart. And then finally, you take each side of the bandana and kind of tuck it into one another, and thus creating your mask. Pull tightly on your hair ties, and there's your mask that fits over, like so. So the CDC recently came out with these recommended guidelines, and Austin Travis County has also recently adopted those as well. So we'll go to those additional tips from the CDC. Cloth covering should fit snugly but comfortably against the side of your face, be secured with ties or ear loops, include multiple layers of fabric, and allow breathing without restriction. Now, city officials also stress the importance to continue that social distancing as well as adhere to those stay-at-home orders as well. Reporting live in South Austin this morning, Jane Lonsdale, Fox 7 Austin News.
It's easier than we thought. Thank you so much, Jane.